Hello everyone, my name is Gail. I'm a researcher here at CliniCids, and today's 60-second science is going to be about the development of the amygdala in children on the autism spectrum with co-occurring anxiety. So we know that many individuals on the spectrum experience anxiety, but that the traditional ways in which we diagnose anxiety might be a little bit different for people on the spectrum. And some people on the spectrum experience more autism-specific types of anxieties that are less commonly observed in the general population. So these things might be more specific or unusual phobias, or fear of change, or fear of differences in routines, or difficulties with managing uncertainty. So in this paper, the researchers wanted to look at the development of the brain in children on the autism spectrum who were experiencing either more traditional forms of anxiety or more autism-specific forms of anxiety. And they were specifically interested in looking at a structure in the brain called the amygdala, which is a small structure that is really important in a network of regions involved in emotion processing and in fear regulation. So they looked at children who had been recruited in early childhood, around 2 to 4, and then followed repeatedly over time, and were measured using magnetic resonance imaging to look at their brain development. And what they found is that for children on the autism spectrum who had more traditional types of anxiety, they had enlarged right amygdala volumes compared to children with more autism-specific anxiety and children not on the autism spectrum. But for children who had more autism-specific types of anxieties, they actually had reduced amygdala volumes in the right side of their brain and reduced development of the amygdala over time. And so why this is really important is it says that there might be some subtle neurobiological differences that underlie more autism-specific anxieties that are more unique to people on the autism spectrum. And this might be really important because it could help us identify biomarkers that can help with early identification of these anxiety difficulties, but it can also help inform more specific or tailored treatment opportunities to support children with these more specific anxiety concerns. So if you're interested in this research, the good news is that it's open access, which means it's free for everyone to read. If you're interested, follow the link in the video description.